All right, so it's been a few hours. We put the charger on. Charger's still on. Anyway, we're gonna see if it decides to behave. Mr. Xander, please fire it in the hole. Okay. It barely... Do that again. I don't like how slow it's cranking. That doesn't make sense. You know what? Let's pull the spark plugs out real quick. Turn everything off. Let's pull the plugs out. See how it turns over without the plugs in it? I just want to make sure, you know, we're not like, there's some weird head gasket leak, which there shouldn't be because coolant's completely full. Make sure we don't have like a lake of fuel in the cylinders or something dumb. So, all right, we're going to pull the plugs out real quick and real easy. And we will check back in. All right, there's our spark plugs. Mind you, this thing's only fired, what, seconds? You can see 3 and 4 very inundated with fuel. And 1 and 6 look, you know, like
2 looks like
nothing.
Yeah,
1 and 6 look untouched.
Yeah, it looks like we just put them in the car.
But when we were firing it up, when we did have it running that little bit, we did have heat on every header tube. So it was hitting on all of them at least. So we got that going for us. So we're going to have Xander crank this thing without the plugs in it just to kind of see how things are. I'm going to go crank it real quick. Just want to see if it spins real fast or what it'll do. Hold up. Before you do that, let me make sure there's nothing sparky by anything fuely. Okay, hit it. Okay, there's no plugs in there. But you can hear all the plugs, the spark plug wires hitting, so. Let's pull that starter back out, see if it's dragging. Because that's moving really slow for no compression, you know?